Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up stop loss on Robinhood options. A stop loss order is designed to limit an investor's loss on a security position. For options, it helps protect your capital by automatically selling your contract if it drops to a certain price. While Robinhood offers stop loss for stocks, its functionality for options is more nuanced. We'll explore the specific steps and considerations for managing your options risk effectively on the platform. Robinhood provides several order types for options, but a direct stop loss order, as you might know it for stocks, isn't available for options contracts. Instead, you'll primarily use market orders and limit orders. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum purchase price or a minimum selling price. Understanding these distinctions is key to managing your options positions. Since a direct stop loss isn't an option, you can simulate one using a sell limit order. If you own an option contract and want to limit potential losses, you can place a limit order to sell it at a specific price below its current market value. For example, if your option is trading at $1, you might set a limit order to sell at 75 cents. This requires active monitoring and manual adjustment as the option's price fluctuates. When using limit orders as a manual stop loss, remember that options are highly volatile. A limit order might not execute if the price drops too quickly past your set limit, especially during rapid market movements. It's crucial to actively monitor your positions and set price alerts. This proactive approach helps you react quickly to market changes and manage your risk more effectively, even without a dedicated stop-loss feature for options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.